Hello everyone, I am back with the last video about Parents and Grandparents PR Program PGP 2022 series. In today's video, we will talk about how to label and upload the documents and the forms, how to complete the consent and declaration, and how to submit the complete and correct application to IRCC. If you are interested, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Charisma. Hope you all doing great and staying safe. If you are new here, I provide information and free advice about Canadian immigration and help people to apply for Canada PR, which can save them a lot of money. Without a further delay, let's start today's video. Now when you have all forms completed and ready to submit and your all documents are handy, at this point you need to scan and save the documents on your computer. While you are saving the documents on your computer, name them as recommended by the IRCC. Let's have a look how to name or label the documents. To label the documents, you need to use the last name, last name of the person whose document it is, hyphen, first name of the person, hyphen, document type, and then if there is number, then hyphen, number of the documents. So here you can see, for example, this is the main applicant, principal applicant. His last name is Brown, hyphen, Jack, hyphen, Cindy, hyphen, invitation letter. So that's for the invitation letter, because this letter is for both Jack and Cindy. Let's go to the next one. It's a peer shift for both of them. Here it is, Brown is the last name of the person, Tim is the sponsor's name, first name, and then document type is PR card. Again, other example you can see, this is the passport of principal applicant. So Brown is the last name, then hyphen, Jack is the first name, and passport is the document type. Here I have an example about the number. So Brown is the last name, Jack is the first name, document type is education document, and number 1. Suppose you are uploading 2 documents for the education, so here is the education document number 2. So that's how you need to label the documents for this application. Let's go through the document checklist IMM 5771. But make sure when you are uploading the documents to your application, you also need to upload the complete document checklist there. Let's go through the each and every document one by one. So first one is parents and grandparents invitation letter. Same as I told you before, you need to save here Brown, Jack, Cindy invitation letter. Your last name of your parents and grandparents, first name of both, and then invitation letter. Then go back to the document checklist. Next is IMM 1344, which need to be completed by the sponsor and it should be saved on the computer. So just check if your form is completed and ready to submit. Here IMM 1344 is completely ready. Then go to the next document. This form is ready or not. IMM 5768. You can go back IMM 5768. That's how you're gonna check all the forms. These forms need to be completed online. They supposed not to be on computer. Number 8, use of representative IMM 5476. If you are using a representative, then this form also have to be completed and saved on your computer. And then the document number 9 is processing fee. How you gonna save that? Go here, Brown, Jack, Cindy means last name, first name of the principal applicant, and the first name of the dependent spouse, and fee receipt. Then what is the next document? It is the PR card or citizenship certificate of the sponsor. What you need to do, same again, just go here, last name, first name of the sponsor, and then PR card or citizenship certificate, whatever you want to do. And here is the marriage certificate of the sponsor and the co-signer. If you are not using your marriage certificate, you are using something else to prove your relationship. Suppose you want to use the passport's back page to prove Cindy and Jack Brown relationship, that they are married to each other, then you need to save that document with the different name. Don't write marriage certificate there, because that is not the marriage certificate. As I show you here, I said Brown the last name, Jack the first name of the principal applicant, and then hyphen proof of principal applicant's relationship to the spouse. So that's how I gave the exact name why I am providing that document there. So that's how work with the document checklist, save each and every document there. When you are saving your photo, you need to save both side of the photo, like front side and the back side of the photo, where you have a stamp from the photographer, like on which date and from which place you got that photograph. So that's how you need to scan your photograph. Another important thing is that your all documents should be in English or French. If they are not, they are in other language, then you need to get them translated in English or French from a certified translator. Do that before you are scanning and saving your document to upload. Next is where and how to upload forms and documents. Once you are ready with all the documents scanned and saved on your computer properly, what you need to do, you need to log in into your account to upload the documents into the portal. When you start uploading your documents and forms, just follow the document checklist. So start with the first one, parents and grandparents invitation letter to apply, where you need to upload this document in others form. Just go into your account and scroll down, select here others, click on upload, select the document which you already saved with the name and open, and you can see your document was successfully uploaded. And it is here in others, Brown and Jack Cindy Brown invitation letter. That's how you can upload that first one. Once you done that, go to the next form, IMM 1344. Then again go back to your portal, scroll up and look for the form IMM 1344. Here is IMM 1344. Click on upload, select the form and upload it. You can see your document was successfully uploaded and ready to submit. So that's how you can upload the form. Once you upload this form, just click here tick, then upload the next form, then click here. One thing I want to mention here is that if you could not fit all the information of any question in the given space and filled that in the second copy of the form, then the original form will get uploaded in the given place, given space for the form, and the second copy of the form will go in the document type others, as we uploaded the invitation letter the same way. For example, IMM 5768. So I completed it here. This is the original form. I named it part 1. So my work history doesn't fit in question 14. So I uploaded another copy of the form and only completed the rest of the information of question 14 in this form. So I named it IMM 5768 question 14 continued. So that's how you can save it and upload it. This original form will go in the given space of the portal, and this form will go in document types others. Once you done that form, only that time you're gonna take here, not before that. It does not applicable to you, just leave it blank. Generic application form for Canada, just make sure that you have completed it here and it is right. So then you can again click here, and same for if you provide this form is completed for all the family members, just make sure check and then click here additional family information if you are using the use of representative, and then is a processing fees. Again, where you need to submit the processing fees, scroll down and here you can see here you need to upload the processing fee. Just click on upload, select the fee receipt and open. Your proof of payment was successfully uploaded. You're done with this and then you can click here. Next document is PR card or citizenship certificate of the sponsor. This will go in others form like the invitation letter. Marriage certificate of the co-signer and the sponsor will go in others again. If your spouse or common law partner is a co-signer, that spouse or common law partner's PR card or citizen certificate go in others again. I will show you one more time, just one more document how to upload. Again, just go on others, click on upload, select the document, open, and you can see the list of documents here. So that's how you can upload. Make sure your file size will be less than 4 MB. Next document is proof of principal applicant's relationship to sponsor. So here you need to provide sponsor's birth certificate. If you do not have the birth certificate, maybe the back page of your passport if you have your parents' name there, your matrix marks card, your mark sheet, you can provide that, or any other document which can prove your relationship with the principal applicant. Sponsor's relationship with the principal applicant, it will go in others folder again. You need to provide. If I'm not telling where it goes, it means it is going to others folder, so this will go in others folder too. Then upload the travel documents or passport for the principal document and each accompanying dependent, only people who are coming to Canada. For them to upload these documents, go into your portal, choose here travel documents and passports, click here, click on upload. Here I have the passport of Jack Brown. These all things are fake, guys, so don't think like how they look. Just click on open and you can upload the passport. Here you can see they said in this folder, this thing is done. Same you're gonna do with the accompanying dependents. Just upload all the passports and then tick here. Then proof of the principal applicant relationship to the accompanying dependent, like marriage certificate or back page of passport or any other document to prove your relationship with your spouse. Upload that. It will go in others again. Just click here. Proof of principal applicant relationship to accompanying dependent children. For this you need to go in the portal here and upload this document under children information. If you are doing any document you have translated, which is you translated from another language to English, or you have any affidavit, then you need to upload in this section here. So that's how, just read this information that where you need to upload, but I'm telling you the main one that where you need to upload. Next one is your resume. You need to upload in others again. Travel history, this is the form you completed already. Details of military experience if you have one. And then photos. Where to upload the photo, just go there, select photos and upload them here. Just click when you done that. Number 12, you only need to upload the documents here if you answered no to question number 8 and the co-signer answered no to question number 16 in IMM 5768. This means you did not give IRCC permission to get your income information directly from CRA. In that case, you need to upload your notice of assessment for last 3 years in document type others. Make sure that you provided all the forms and all the things which you need to. Once you completed your document checklist, you marked it, just go through it again, check it properly. And here is the information, guys. You do not need to provide the police certificate and the medical upfront. Just wait for that. They will ask you for the PCC and for the medical examination. At that time you will provide that. At this point you no need to provide PCC and the medical examination for parents and grandparents PR application. Once you completed your document checklist, just save it properly and then upload it in your portal under document checklist. Once you completed all the documents, uploading all the documents and form, just make sure you done each and everything. Just go through again, check everything again, and then scroll down to consent and declare your application. Click on start. Do you as the principal applicant consent to contacted by IRCC or an organization at IRCC request in future? You can say yes or no accordingly, but there's no harm to say yes. Consent to release information to evaluation purposes, again you can refuse, but if you want to, there's no harm to say yes. And then scroll down, electronically sign your application. Here you need to write your full name, means principal applicant need to write their full name. Many people ask, can they sign the application, sign off the application on behalf of their parents? As you can see, you can, but legally you can't. Just type the name here. So that's how you type your name to sign it electronically and say complete and return to application. So here you can see that you are ready to submit. You already consent and declare the application. You signed it electronically, like the principal applicant signed it electronically. You can view if you want to, and after that just scroll down and here you can see submit your application. So before hitting this button, just make sure you have checked everything. Go through maybe once again, but you need to make sure that everything is right, because once you hit this button submit your application, you cannot make any change in your application. If IRCC need more information, they can contact you and ask for more information, but you are no longer able to make changes in this application. So if you want to submit, just click on submit your application and your application is submitted to IRCC. I will be back with another video about how to create IRCC secure account and how to link your application to it so that you can get online updates about your application. To get the notification for new videos and to support the channel, please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.